The pressure on those surrounding politicians is often very, very high indeed. The media intrusion on people's lives is very high indeed. And the attacks that take place against family and loved ones of politicians continue, and they're disgraceful, and frankly, they are disgusting. I want to take this opportunity to thank my family, my close friends, and those that have been close by and been very supportive during this and every other election campaign. I want to thank my 3 sons for the huge support they give me, and thank my wife, Laura Alvarez, for all that she puts up with because of the way in which the media behave towards me, towards her, and indeed towards my party during this election campaign. This is obviously a very disappointing night for the Labour Party with the result that we've got. But I want to say this. In the election campaign, we put forward a manifesto of hope, a manifesto of unity, and a manifesto that would help to right the wrongs and the injustices and inequalities that exist in this country. For those who need housing, those who need an effective health service that will deliver for them, and those children that need a school that is properly funded and they're not being taught in oversized classes. And a manifesto that gave hope in dealing with the environmental crisis the world faces by investing for the future through a green industrial revolution. All of those policies were extremely popular during the election campaign and remain policies that have huge popular support all across this country. However, Brexit has so polarised and divided debate in this country. It has overridden so much of a normal political debate. And I recognise that has contributed to the results that the Labour Party has received this evening all across this country. The issues of social justice and the issues of needs of people will not go away just because Brexit is dealt with in the way in which Boris Johnson presumably plans to deal with it at the moment. All those issues will come back centre stage in the debate, and the fundamental Labour message about justice and equality within our society is going to be one that is there for all time, because it's the very core of what my party believes in and what I will always advocate on behalf of my constituency and on behalf of my party. I want to also make it clear that I will not lead the party in any future general election campaign. I will discuss with our party to ensure there is a process now of reflection on this result and on the policies that the party will take going forward. And I will lead the party during that period to ensure that discussion takes place and we move on into the future. Because I'm very proud of the trust that our 500,000 members put in me to lead this party. And I'm very proud of the way that we fought this election campaign. We did not descend into the gutter. We did not undertake personal abuse. We undertook the task of getting a message of hope and justice to every part of this country. And I'm very grateful to the Labour Party in Islington North for being very tolerant of the fact that I didn't spend as much time in this election campaign in Islington as obviously I would want to do, because I've been travelling around the whole country to ensure that Labour message is put there. But I want to say this. I will remain the MP for Islington North, and I'm proud to represent the people of Islington North, and I'm proud in Parliament and outside that we will forever continue the cause for socialism, for social justice, and for a society based on the needs of all rather than the greed of a few. That is what makes our party what it is, and I'm very proud of the achievements of our party in the development of its manifesto and its ideas. And I tell you what, those ideas and those principles are eternal, and they will be there for all time. I thank the people of Islington North once again for putting their faith and trust in me, I will work, as I always have, to represent and defend the people of my constituency, because they're very special and I owe them so much and they have all taught me so much. Thank you very much.